Panasonic has completely reimagined what a Micro Four Thirds camera can achieve, and the Lumix G9 III seems poised to challenge the assumptions of full-frame shooters everywhere. This isn't just a minor upgrade from its predecessor. It's a total overhaul, blending speed, power, and versatility into a body that remains comfortably portable for all-day shooting. At the core of this camera lies a brand new high-resolution Micro Four Thirds sensor, built from the ground up to push the limits of what this format can deliver. While some might still associate Micro Four Thirds with limitations, Panasonic has consistently demonstrated that the magic isn't just in sensor size, it's in how you leverage it. This new sensor reportedly offers expanded dynamic range, cleaner high-ISO performance, and sharper detail than anything we've seen in this category before, giving photographers the ability to capture less noise even at ISO 6400, more flexible post-processing options, and vibrant, yet natural colors that don't appear oversaturated. For wildlife and sports photographers, the crop factor offers a tangible advantage, effectively turning a 300mm lens into a 600mm equivalent. -1 while maintaining image quality comparable to some, but the sensor is only the beginning. Panasonic has taken stabilization to the next level with an upgraded dual-IS system, combining in-body and lens stabilization for up to 8 stops of correction. This translates to practically magical results. Handheld video looks incredibly smooth without a gimbal, and long exposure shots can be captured at a fraction of a second while remaining razor-sharp. For creators who juggle both stills and video, this capability is transformative. No longer is a gimbal or lengthy setup required. Turn on the dual-IS, and the camera does the heavy lifting. Autofocus, long considered a weak point for Panasonic, has finally received the attention it deserves. The G9 III introduces a next-generation phase hybrid autofocus system enhanced with eye-powered subject detection. This allows the camera to track eyes, birds in flight, moving vehicles, or even children running across a field with astonishing accuracy. Gone are the days of hunting for focus or missing crucial moments. The combination of phase detection and deep learning ensures that the camera often anticipates your subject's movements even before you fully frame the shot. Action photographers, sports shooters, and wildlife enthusiasts are likely to find this system a total game-changer. Video performance is equally impressive, further cementing the camera's hybrid credentials. The G9 III supports 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. Internal 10-bit for 222 codecs remove the need for an external recorder, meaning creators can rely on just a fast SD card for professional quality footage. Panasonic has also pushed dynamic range to impressive levels, offering over 13 stops of latitude and V-log, allowing recovery of both highlights and shadows in post-production like you'd expect from much larger, cinema-grade sensors. This makes it easy to shoot in challenging conditions, from bright midday sun to high-contrast scenes, without sacrificing image quality. And the beauty of Micro Four Thirds is that all this power comes in a compact body that won't weigh you down on long shoots. The camera's construction matches its high-tech performance. Panasonic has built the G9 III to withstand tough conditions, with full weather sealing, dust-proofing, splash-proofing, and freeze-proofing down to -10 C. This is a camera that can handle everything from rainy weddings to freezing mountain hikes and humid rainforest shoots without hesitation. Ergonomics are also a strong point. A deep, secure grip, intuitively placed buttons and dials, dual card slots, and a fully articulating touchscreen make handling the camera a joy for photographers and filmmakers alike. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder is bright, clear, and usable even in harsh sunlight, providing a professional shooting experience across any environment. Speed is another area where the G9 III excels. It can shoot up to 60 frames per second in continuous RAW mode with full autofocus and subject tracking. This level of performance isn't just fast, it borders on unfair, giving photographers the ability to capture fleeting action with unprecedented precision. The camera is designed for creators who need to switch effortlessly between shooting modes without missing a beat, whether capturing wildlife, sports, or cinematic video on the go. Its combination of lightweight, extreme reach, and professional-grade performance makes it a compelling option for anyone who values speed, reliability, and versatility in the field. This camera is built for hybrid creators who demand the best of both worlds, stills and video without compromise. It caters to photographers who rely on speed and precision, filmmakers seeking professional video specs without lugging around heavy gear, and adventurers who need a camera that can survive the elements. Even for those who are simply looking for a reliable, all-in-one tool to travel with, the G9 III offers unmatched convenience and confidence, making it the kind of workhorse you don't have to think twice about. For existing G9 II users, the upgrade decision depends largely on individual needs. If you've been satisfied with your current setup, it may not be an immediate necessity. However, for anyone frustrated by limitations in autofocus, wanting stronger video capabilities, or seeking improved sensor performance, the G9 III addresses all these concerns decisively. Panasonic has listened to creator feedback and tackled core issues head-on, rather than simply adding incremental features. Panasonic isn't attempting to compete head-to-head with full-frame cameras from Sony or Canon. Instead, they've doubled down on the unique strengths of Micro Four Thirds. The G9 III demonstrates that professional-level results are achievable in a lighter, faster, more travel-friendly, and versatile system. It's a statement piece, a reminder that you don't need a massive sensor to capture world-class imagery. For anyone debating whether to stick with Micro Four Thirds or switch to full-frame, this camera makes a compelling case for the smaller format. It strikes a rare balance of power and practicality, meeting the needs of modern creators in a way few cameras have managed. In essence, the Lumix G9 III is a hybrid powerhouse designed for those who refuse to compromise. Whether your focus is photography, filmmaking, or a bit of both, this camera provides everything you could want in a portable, rugged, high-performance package. It's a versatile tool built for speed, precision, and reliability, offering creators the freedom to focus on their vision rather than worrying about equipment limitations. For anyone looking to step up their game in both photo and video, the G9 II is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformative leap forward. If you've been on the fence about Micro Four Thirds, this camera may well be the reason to make the leap. It's an all-in-one solution for creators who need pro-level capabilities in a compact, durable, and flexible body, balancing cutting-edge technology with practicality in a way that few other cameras can. The Lumix G9 III isn't just a camera, it's a statement about what modern photography and videography can achieve when design, performance, and innovation align perfectly.